What is up, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be unboxing another Star Wars, the Black Series, from the Black Series line, from Force Awakens. We got Kylo Ren, it's number 3 in the set. Finn was number 1. I don't have Rey in BB-8, which I need to get her. So, Kylo Ren, a dark warrior strong with the Force. Kylo Ren commands First Order missions with a temper as fiery as his unconventional lightsaber. If you want to read his bio, pause the video. If you can read it, that camera can't focus. So, here's Kylo Ren. It can, well, can't really make them look up. The hood is made of comfortable cloth. That's lightsaber, which you can make him look like he's boom, swinging it. His legs can go back, forth, ankle pivots. He's got peg holes. Wow, this fabric's very comfortable. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna close out the video. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you're new here, like, favorite, and share. I will be doing a lot more of these, so stay tuned for more. And I'll be doing more reactions and reviews and things. So I'll see you next time, and I'll see you in the future. Peace. You will subscribe. You will subscribe to my channel today.